Welcome to update number 2. This week I installed ProFlex flexible propane lines and not a huge amount more. The lines run from that black iron fitting over to a T right there and then run along this truss, curve over and goes to the stub out for the furnace, and then in this direction it just goes to a stub out there. I'm going to do something different with that once I build the wall here, but it's still going to be a stub out. At some point I'm going to put a furnace in this unheated area that I can use to just blast and do work out here in the winter if I need to, but for the most part this area right here is going to be unheated. A huge amount of time this week was spent working on this massive block retaining wall, well, massive boulder retaining wall, I should say, and getting this culvert in place. This area right here collects water, and it's going to do it even worse once we get the apron in here and finish the road right here. So we have this, it goes down into a culvert, and the culvert exits over here. I need to get some rocks in this area so it doesn't erode, but this will solve the problem of the water collecting over there. We also put in this road going up to the main road up there, another retaining wall here, and another road that goes over to that pasture right there. That's not quite finished yet either, but that's going to happen next year. In this area somewhere, we're going to move the greenhouse, and I'm going to use that to dry wood. I'm going to buy green lumber from the Amish and put it in the greenhouse to dry. And lastly, I've been working on the design for my freeze-proof water lines. This place may be completely unheated at times, so I need to have freeze-proof water lines, but it is going to be heated much of the time, and one of the water lines is going to run up into an unheated space. So I need to make this dual zone, the design of which is right here. I need to make a manifold and run these PEX lines all over the shop, so it's going to make for some interesting video. If you want to see that, stay tuned to Planet Mojo. Otherwise, another update coming next week.